How to fix New World connection error on Windows. 1. Log out and log back in. 2. Change the region you're connected to. 3. Restart everything, PC, router/modem. 4. Refresh your internet connection. Commands include IP protocol configuration/flushes, IP protocol configuration/registered, IP protocol configuration/release, IP protocol configuration/renew, netshare, winsock, reset 5. Allow newworld.exe through your firewall. Like this. Note, you may find the via Steam's browse local files. Or via WTM. Update your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 7. Verify your game integrity in Steam.